In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Supabase database. We'll walk through exporting data from one project and importing it into another using Supabase's built-in tools. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along even if this is your first time. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard and heading to your list of projects. Create a new project that will act as the destination for your duplicate. This gives you a clean place to import your data later. Once the project is created, you can leave it for a moment. We'll come back to it shortly. Now, open the source project, the one that already has the data you want to copy. In the left sidebar, click Table Editor. Find the table you want to duplicate and open the menu by clicking the three dots next to the table name. Hover over Export Data to see your options. Choose Export Table as CSV. This is a simple format that's great for moving data quickly. You'll also see options to export as SQL or via the CLI, which can be helpful if you want structure, constraints, or a more automated workflow, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick with CSV. Click Submit to generate and download the file to your computer. With the export complete, go back to your projects and open the destination project you created earlier. In the left sidebar, select Table Editor. Click Create a Table to start setting up the destination table. Give the table a clear, meaningful name. You can match the original name to keep things consistent across projects. Next, choose Import Data from CSV. Drag and drop the CSV you just downloaded or browse your files to select it. Supabase will read the file and infer the columns and data types. Take a moment to review what it detects. Make sure column names look right, and that types like text, numeric, or timestamp match your expectations. This helps avoid issues after import, especially if your original table used specific formats. When everything looks good, proceed and click Save. Supabase will create the table and load the data for you. Depending on the size of your CSV, this may take a moment. Once it's done, you'll see your new table in the editor ready to use. That's it. You've exported a table from one project and imported it into another, effectively duplicating it. If you need to copy additional tables, repeat the same process. And if you require schema, indexes, or relationships to be carried over, consider the SQL export option you saw earlier. Thanks for watching and happy building.